Welcome to our channel. Today we how to fix SAP Cloud Application errors step by step clearly. To fix SAP Cloud Application errors, begin by logging into your SAP Cloud account. Navigate to the dashboard to identify any error notifications. Click on the error notification to gather more details about the issue. Take note of the error code and message displayed. Visit the SAP Help portal for specific guidance related to the error code. Search for documentation that pertains to your error code. Evaluate the suggested solutions provided in the documentation. Implement the recommended fix as outlined in the documentation. After changes are made, return to the SAP Cloud Application. Refresh the application to see if the error persists. If the error remains, check the system logs for additional context. Identify any recent changes made to the application that may have caused the issue. Roll back any recent changes if necessary to stabilize the application. Reapply changes gradually, testing the application after each adjustment. If the error continues, consider reaching out to SAP support for further assistance. Provide them with the error code, message, and any steps you have already taken. Document the issue and resolutions for future reference. By following these steps, you should be able to address common SAP Cloud Application errors effectively. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.